Alright YouTube, so this is a 2-inch say mid-range driver, and in today's video I'm gonna use it as a subwoofer. As you can see, this thing is quite good, rubber surround and wide say voice coil cover like that. So this thing is connected to this 2.1 class D amplifier, and this thing is connected to my mobile phone right there. I'm gonna play some songs, and this thing is connected to the subwoofer of this thing. So play some songs and some frequency. We're gonna check it out how this thing works. So let's start. Alright, so that's how it was working as a subwoofer. Now let me connect this thing to the main channels and let's see how loud and clear it can go. So I have connected the right channel to that one, and now let's play the song again. Talks my heart online. I'm blind, too afraid to find that you change your mind from sleepless nights. Was I part of your design? Push me till I broke alone. No one heard my heart explode. It's a suicide dive, just near when you die and question everything you know. Setting fire to the life we made. Such a fucking waste of time. Said you love me till my heart decays. Guess my darling changed my mind. Talks my heart online. As you have heard, the sound is quite good, but it's not very loud enough because that's this tiny speaker, only 2-inch, and this thing is not gonna work good without any enclosure. When you put it in an enclosure, then it's gonna go very loud. That depends on the size of the enclosure. So when I keep it on the table right here, the sound is very good, but when I lift it up in the air, the sound is like of a bit lower and thin, kind of that. So it needs enclosure. Without enclosure, it's not gonna work very loud or deep bass, but as you can see the cone movement, the sound is very good, and also very good bass is there. And when I have connected to the subwoofer in it, you heard no voice, only bass, but not very loud, of course. So I'm going to connect once again to the subwoofer and check it out.